Alright guys, real quick today before we get this F-body that we're working on now put all the way back together where I can show you. We've done the factory hood latch a little bit different on this setup and just want to kind of show you how easy it is to kind of incorporate this in one of our front end kits. So this is a Camaro of a local customer, and you can see we've got the main front end kit pretty much already welded up, done. Bumper support plate is in place. And we basically just took the factory hood latch assembly and bracket that went to the original core support, and we've trimmed the excess off of it. It could be trimmed down some more obviously, but just for this setup it worked out where we could keep the little brace on the bottom. We've just added a tab here to make it rigid and added a couple 90-degree bent tabs right there, and pretty much put it in the stock location so you can shut the hood. Now this car's got a pretty massive air-to-air intercooler that we're going to mock back up, and it just worked out that the intercooler is going to go right against the tube underneath this and going to be completely out of the way of all of that. Most of your F-body setups, the radiator is going to go somewhere between the headlight brackets, so it's usually never going to be this far if you do any kind of stand-up radiator, so the hood latch won't really make a difference. So let's shut the hood and I'll show you how smoothly that operates. Get that piece of tape off here. So that's the first stage. You see the safety catch. We've still got it functional here. I actually just tweaked it a little bit to get it out of the way, but clips right in there, and then you've still got room to get in here and get that, you know, once the hood springs up. And we also put the bolts right in the middle adjustment whenever we initially mocked it up. That way we'd have plenty of adjustment there. I'm not going to reach in there and pop it because the cable's not attached. And me and my little girl's headed home because somebody don't feel good, right? So just wanted to show you guys that quick video of kind of how we laid that out. So it's a simple solution. If you don't want to use hood pins, you can still use your factory hood latch. Take care, guys.